You know that one. So, for example, in the normal condition.
No, but you have some set points now in different conditions. But if VFT is going beyond that set point.
Yeah. Say for example,
Yeah.
your speed is 30% to 80%.
Yeah.
If it comes below than 30%, it will trip.
Yes.
If it go more than 80%, it will trip.
Otherwise,
It will go in the range.
it will damage the membrane.
Yes,
High speed. That's okay. We are safe. And after that, this is the. Okay, what is this line? What is this one?
We already covered.
that one is normally closed.
No, we have not covered this.
Which one? Which one?
ये वाला cover किया हमने. What is this one?
This one is
For CIP, that's
CIP for CIP.
CIP for circulation.
But I need to consider. Huh?
Yeah.
What will happen when it is closed?
It is
Normally closed.
It is normally closed.
So when required, malfunction closed when required.
The CIP.
It is required only during CIP.
During
CIP.
so potential CIP, yeah?
Yeah.
Different is law, not company.
So that we have covered now.
Covered,
that is-
BFW interlinked.
Before.
Yeah.
AIP, when you put AIP in place, then there is a problem in the membrane.
Yeah.
Designer has covered well because I don't want to keep anything left. Tomorrow, no, when you read it, so you get complete feeling. And after that, we are coming here. So no less flow.
No, where is going?
Yeah, no, we are going there. We are going.
It is going to MBR time.
Yeah.
During recovery, you need to fill the citric acid with. Yeah. So for that it is required.
Yeah, but after that, where it is going?